Understanding HEIC and JPEG formats.
HEIC is a photo format used by iPhones and iPads to save space while keeping high image quality. However, not all devices and apps can open HEIC files easily. JPEG is a widely supported photo format that works on almost any platform, making it ideal for sharing and viewing. Converting HEIC images to JPEG ensures easy access across all your devices.
Why you might need to convert.
If you've ever tried to open a HEIC photo on a Windows computer or a non-Apple device, you may have run into compatibility issues. By converting HEIC photos to JPEG, you can make sure your images open smoothly on any device, can be edited in most software, and shared without problems on social media or email.
Using an online converter.
There are free online tools that let you convert HEIC files to JPEG quickly. Simply upload your HEIC photo to a trusted website, select JPEG as the output format, and download the converted file. This method is fast and does not require installing extra software, making it perfect for occasional conversions.
Converting with software on your computer.
For batch conversions or more privacy, you can use software like the Photos app on Windows 11, the Preview app on Mac, or third-party apps such as iMazing HEIC Converter. These tools let you select multiple HEIC files, choose JPEG as the output, and convert them all at once right from your desktop.
Tips for smooth conversion.
Before converting, make sure to back up your original HEIC files. Check if your images have important information, like photo dates or location data. Most converters keep this metadata, but some may not. Choose a high-quality setting for JPEG output to preserve as much detail as possible during the conversion process.